In our first peer learning workshop on women's entrepreneurship back in 2019, together with a diverse group of experts, we mapped out challenges and key enablers to women's entrepreneurship and defined high-impact solutions based on real-life demand, first-hand experiences, and good practice examples. A year has passed, and despite the many challenges the year 2020 has presented us with, especially in terms of in-person collaboration, I'm happy to say that with the enthusiasm and the energy of our peers, supported by a carefully designed online workshop process, we managed to recreate the atmosphere and depth of our first workshop, leveraging the expertise and backgrounds of our peers, transforming these solutions into actionable next steps of what needs to happen next to further support women's entrepreneurship in the EU and beyond.
My key takeout is that as women entrepreneurs who were lucky enough to be there and to participate to that workshop, we need to be involved and we need to involve other fellow entrepreneurs that we know around us so that these projects see light and these projects can be adopted or can be led locally.
My key takeaway: in order to take the current, largely ad hoc and sporadic initiatives to the next level of impact, we need a clear and strong support framework. We need a dedicated program to support the systematic and concerted implementation all across Europe of initiatives to improve the women entrepreneurship situation. We definitely need comprehensive and systematic action at all levels.